While the concept of passive income may sound appealing, the reality is that most successful passive income ideas result from a great deal of work. I remember I was in my last semester, and being a university student low on cash, I would work right after my study hours to earn extra bucks. And now, I have a steady business. Hello guys! Welcome back to my Finance Professor channel, where we serve you delicious content in personal finance, investment, stock market news, and making money online. Our objective for this channel is to give the tools you need to build and grow generational wealth. Today's video will look at proven strategies for earning passive income to help you reach your financial goals and become more self-sufficient. These strategies will help you settle on the most suitable plans for generating passive income on your terms. Before we officially start our list, I know it is 2023, yet some people still need to learn about the idea of passive income. So, let me describe passive income, and simply put, the Internal Revenue Service or IRS says that passive income is money a person gets from sources other than their regular job that doesn't require much work on their part. Earners can make passive income by investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate, selling goods and services online, making and selling online courses, and so on. Active income, on the other hand, is money you make by working. Passive income, on the other hand, is money you get without doing much or any work. Your finances will improve and you'll have more time. With more money coming in and less worry about how to spend it, you might feel more secure in your financial future. If you're in the service industry and want to quit selling dollars for hours, or if you own a production company and want to add revenue streams that don't need shipping, think about the following passive income options we have listed for you in this video. So, stay with us till the end. You'll never know what idea might be lucky for you. Number 7. Have a specific degree. Make your virtual classes. Creating an online course for everyone curious about the subject is a better use of your time than giving free consultations and private lessons. You'll need to put in some preparation time up front, including creating a course outline, recording the lecture, and uploading it to a website like Skillshare or Coursera. In addition to making materials and resources, your students might need and download them. If you are an expert in your industry and have what it takes to teach others, creating and selling online courses may be a fantastic side hustle that brings in money while you sleep. Consult with others and teach them what you know to generate passive income. I personally believe everyone can create their own online course and share their experience with others. It does not necessarily have to be an expert knowledge, but anything at all you are comfortable talking about and that has an active audience. For example, about 70 million people in the US are reported to have insomnia and unable to sleep. If you are someone who finds it easy to sleep, you can easily build a course around your strategies and rein in some passive income. Although, keep in mind that this idea will require a time commitment at the outset of the course if you want to see any results. It should have a polished tone and style, be simply to read and comprehend, and include all the pertinent information. Number 6. Investing. In reality, only some of these potential income sources are hands-off. You will only find something that can bring in money while you sleep. Investing can get you close though. It's hard to think of a more frequent method of earning money without actively doing anything. You can learn to invest if you have a small amount to set aside. During college, I studied the fundamentals of personal finance and began accumulating assets in low-cost index funds. I took a lot of my advice from the book The Millionaire Teacher and personal finance blogs like Mr. Money Mustache. I will not give you any suggestions on how to invest your money. I have other cups of tea. But I will say this, educate yourself on investing. Spending a few hours a week and a few $100s on learning to invest may pay dividends, literally, for the rest of your life. Number 5. Interested in photography? Sell it. Sell online photo stock. Since photography is a service industry, you likely need to devote more time to it. Although selling stock images online is more like a side hustle, it may be a great way to bring in extra cash. Pexels and Shutterstock will pay you for high-quality photographs and videos you submit to them. Taking more seemingly unrelated high-quality images of objects and locations to send to stock photo sites is a wonderful approach to get started. After you upload your images to the sites, they will advertise and sell for you. The images you take will begin to pay you passively. Selling stock photographs online might be a great way to generate income passively over time. A potential drawback is that you'll need to supply your camera equipment. But in this day and age, any smartphone equipped with a decent camera will do. Additionally, you'd spend some of your time photographing the scene. Number 4. Are you intrigued by the influencers? Start a blog. It's not easy to start a blog, but the blogging business model is gaining popularity as a way to earn money while you sleep. Today, fame on the web is optional to make money online. Locating your target audience on just 1 or 2 platforms and directing them to your website is all required. Developing a blog is a slow process, but if you publish reliable work and market it well, you may amass a sizable following and a steady supply of paying customers. I know posting and sharing don't make much money, but you can increase passive revenue by commission-based product sales, making paid social media postings, producing and marketing one's goods, displaying advertisements with Google's AdSense. This is the finest part. You can create a blog without knowing how to code or design. A blog may be set up and running quickly with the help of a CMS and hosting provider like Shopify. You may make as much as $30,000 per month from your blog without doing any work beyond creating an SEO marketing plan, writing posts, and promoting them. Number 3. Do you not have any products to sell of your own? A dropshipping store is a great option. One of the most lucrative forms of passive income is dropshipping. Dropshipping allows you to sell in-demand items found on sites like AliExpress to buyers worldwide. You may stock your web shop with dropshipped goods from many different industries, including those related to fashion, interior design, and cosmetics. The beauty of dropshipping is that it allows you to start your own business and set your prices. Dropshipping is the only passive income option on this list, where you may choose your prices and profit margins. Dropshipping may begin the moment you sign up with Shopify. Installing one of these dropshipping programs after setting up your online shop can help you quickly and easily get premium goods to sell. An option for a dropshipping company that allows for more control over product selection and quality is to acquire things at wholesale and resell them. You may find US-based wholesalers through a wholesale marketplace, buy items at bulk rates, and then resell them to your customers. Finding wholesalers prepared to ship items straight to clients enables you to combine this strategy with dropshipping. Number 2. Making money in sleep is real. Put a sign in your window and get more customers. Turn your automobile into a mobile billboard and make money while you sleep. Advertisers may reach automobile owners through sites like Free Car Media, Rapify, Carvertise, and Sticker Ride. You may generate a nice passive revenue stream without changing your daily driving habits by just agreeing to display a vinyl decal on your car for a specified period. If you want to use a platform and advertising, ensure they fit your driving style. To qualify for some jobs, you may need to be a delivery driver or log a specific number of daily miles. Number 1. The best option: affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is promoting a third-party product through links placed on a website, social media profile, or blog. Despite Amazon's popularity, many other major affiliate networks exist, including eBay, Awin, and ShareASale, and social media sites like Instagram and TikTok have exploded in popularity as places to gain exposure and sell wares. Start an email list if you want more people to read your blog or see your advertisements. In this scenario, the site owner gets a commission if a visitor clicks on the link and subsequently purchases from the third-party affiliate. Since the fee is likely between 3% and 7%, you'll need a lot of visitors to make substantial money. But you may make substantial cash if you can attract a larger audience or focus on a lucrative forte like software, finance, or fitness. You need to get people to visit your site, click on the link, and purchase to make money. So have patience. To conclude, spend some time to research each of these passive income ideas. It may be your ticket to an early retirement if that is a dream for you. That's all for today, folks, and we hope you enjoyed the video and the information. Keep watching for more amazing videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel on your way out. See you next time. Until then, bye!